Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete the Contraband Part 1 mission in Roblox Wanted. If this tutorial helps you out, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. For this mission, we need to track down 3 specific weapons: a UGI, a UMP-45 and an AK-47. Keep in mind, this cannot be brought from regular gun shops. They are scattered across different hidden locations on the map. We need to find them and sell them to an NPC named Rod. Let's grab them step by step and complete this mission. First, to find the UGI, head over to the exact location I'm showing you right now. Inside this house right here, you will find the UGI waiting for you. Next up, we need to get the UMP-45, which is located inside the police station. Before heading in, make sure you don't have any wanted stars. Once your hit is gone, join the police force because you cannot access the back rooms as a civilian. After joining, head upstairs and you will find the UMP-45 right there. Once you grab it, you can leave the police force and switch back to being a civilian. Finally, we need the AK-47. For this one, we need to head over to the syndicate base. Look for this specific spot inside the base and you will find the AK-47 on the ground. Now, you can sell these guns one by one, but I highly recommend collecting all 3 first and then carefully heading over to the port. Right here at the port, you will find the NPC named Rod. Just sell all 3 weapons to him one after another and your mission will be instantly completed. That's all for today's guide. I hope this is super helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching.